We're going to create a new script, calling it going to Monster Slicer. We're going to rename it to be AppDay Slicer, clicking on the Create button, closing our tutorial. We're going to go to last line of code under main. We're going to go on, click on new line of code, and we're going to add a variable. We're declaring our local variable, calling it monster. We're going to click to the right of our declared variable. I'm going to click on data, board, create picture. Now where it says needs picture, we're going to remove that, and we're going to search for monster. Now there's a picture of monster _1. We're going to click on that, and we're going to click back on our declared local variable, and we're going to promote the data, making a global variable, and let's go ahead and run it. And you see the monster is falling off the screen every time you play it. Let's go ahead and fix that. We're going to go to our game loop. We're going to click on the last line of code. We're going to add a new line. We're going to click on if. We're going to click on data, monster, y, greater than 480. We're going to insert a new line of code in our if statement, data, monster. We're going to search for set speed y. We're going to change our set speed y to be -500. We're going to go back and we're going to run it. Notice now how the monster is not falling off the screen. Let's go back to our script, and we're going to go to the last line of code in our if statement, and we're going to insert a new line of code. We're going to insert for sound. Let's look for the ouch sound. You click on the ouch sound and click off of it. When you play it, now every time the monster hits the bottom of the screen, it's now going to make a sound. Let's go back to our script editor, and we're going to go back to our main, and this time we're going to go back to our last line of code in main. We're going to add a new line of code calling for wall, and we're going to look for set background picture. Let's go ahead and delete needs picture, and let's go ahead and search for our picture called space background. Now our options for background should pop up shortly, and you can see there's a space background. We click on space background, and this time when we run it, the monster has a cool space background. So now we're going to go back to main. We're going to add a new event, and we're going to search for tap. So you see an option called tap sprite monster. This time we're going to click on a new line of code, data, monster, set position, and we're going to declare our x and y coordinates. X is 400 and y is 480. We're going to add a new line of code, data, monster. We're going to set our speed y to be -500, and let's go ahead and run it. And then notice every time the user clicks on the monster, the monster will bounce again. Now let's go back to our event tap sprite monster, and we're going to search for a sound. We search for the angry bird sound, and so this time when you run it, every time the monster is tapped by the user, this angry bird sound will then come to life. Let's go back to our script editor, and as we click on the event game loop, let's go ahead and click below our if statement, so get outside of our if statement, and we're going to click on data, monster. Let's go ahead and search for set angular speed. And this time let's go ahead and remove the preset set angular speed to be data monster. And let's go ahead and look for speed y. And so when we run it, you can notice that the monster is turning.